Dukkham is part of your life. So if you anyway have to experience dukkham, anyway you have to suffer, learn the art of suffering. Learn to do it in a way that will not get you caught in that cycle of suffering. That is the most important thing. It's not that we don't experience pain. Everyone will experience pain, and this is part of our life. But can we not get entangled in it? Can we not wallow in it? Can we not all the time be in something that is not even come? So, what Yoga Sutra says in the second chapter, the 16th Sutra, it says, Heyam Dukkham Anagat. Avoid the Dukkham that is yet to come. That is the only thing that we can actually do. We can't do anything about what we have already experienced in the past. Yeah, you can't go back and change the past. What is happening right now, because the present is the product of our past actions. Today, what I do and how deeply I listen, how deeply I observe and understand my reality and respond to it can help me prevent future suffering. So, Heyam Dukkham Anagatam is what is the practice of yoga.